Social media influencer Very Darkman has declared nationwide protest in Nigeria to tackle bad government and the rise in the cost of foodstuffs and other commodities in the country. Watch the video and don't forget to tell us your thoughts about this great move by Very Darkman. Also help us by subscribing to our YouTube channel.
Alright, so I waited till Saturday to talk about this because I know it is important and I know that this information will reach everybody because Papa, Mama, everybody did for house today. Do you understand? Now, there are dates that have been released for nationwide protests. Do you understand? Because of the hardship and the suffering that is going on in this country right now. There's dates for 29th of this month, which is July, and there's 5th for next month, as you can see. Now, we have to come out as people of Nigeria to stand up and tell the government that enough is enough. Do you understand? Because the hardship and suffering is too much. And the government are not doing anything about it. It's almost as if they are looking at us as fools, as sheeps. Do you understand? And we can no longer fold our hands and just keep quiet. Take the example of rice. Look at the price of bag of rice. The price of bag of rice is 100k. How much is minimum wage? Check price of basket of tomato. How much is minimum wage? Every other thing is going up, but the minimum wage, the salaries are still there. 35,000 naira, 25,000 naira. Do you understand? The one that is even paying me past is the price of fuel. Because if the price of fuel goes down today, everything automatically crashes. Do you understand? Price of fuel is how much? It was initially 200 and something. Do you understand? When this administration came in, and now they took it to 500 and something. That 500 and something now, they said it was going to be permanent price. They even shared prices of things for the whole state in Nigeria of fuel. Now, it don't come up from the price where they tell us, it don't they go 700 and something, and minimum wage is still there. So there's a need to all of us come out to tell the government that no. But the problem now that I've just seen now, because me I did hear the ginger, and I don't see some things where it cause problem. Do you understand? I'm seeing some videos now, and I swear to God, I cannot be part of this type of things. There is no peace without war, but there are some war that will never bring peace again. Because some people will take advantage of that war as at that time that's supposed to lead to peace and scatter the whole thing. Take example of Libya. There are some people in this Nigeria right now that they are waiting to take advantage of anything protest to do religious war, to do tribal war. So if we that want to go and protest, if we are not careful, we'll be used as instruments. And when I mean people, I don't just mean Nigerians. I mean other people, other maybe Oyibo and another country people that want to scatter this nation for some reason. So if we are not careful as the youth, we'll be used. Now, this is why I am complaining now that we have to sit down well and plan well. Do you understand? I saw this video and I was disturbed.
Getting worse. Getting bad herself. So what do I say about protest now? They say, it now say all of us feel unite. Feel complete. But like more turn out to war. More turn out to war. More enter so hot. All this house of assembly. All this yeah.
Now the funniest part is that this guy would think if this thing scatter now, you fit touch those men where they are so rock. Who told you can access them? You can't access them now. Do you understand? It will just, yes, one ginger, but we don't want waiting to come off from hand. We want whole government for shares. And when I mean hold them for shares, there's a way we go about it. This protest, we go do them in a way where we say we go get leaders. Do you understand? Make it not fail like NSAS. We have leaders that when we don't hold government for share, they'll ask us what we want. Then the leaders will speak and say, this is what we want. For each state, I expect all of us to have different leaders from each state. Present yourself, get people, get a particular place. You go to a particular side and say, okay, this is what we want. If you don't do this every Tuesday, we will hinder everybody from going to work every Tuesday in this country. People will sit down. We'll block major roads, we'll do this, we'll do that. But I don't want a situation where this thing will be taken advantage of. Some people will go start to loot, they break properties, they carry things. Some people might end up losing their lives. You set some people back on in the name of protest. And if we are not careful, it might get to that. This is another video.
Now, a lot of people asking, what if they throw tear gas? They are through tear gas. But we are going to teach you how to overcome that.
Imagine, they are now teaching people how to overcome tear gas. If police throw tear gas, are we going for war? Do you understand? Are we going for war? No. We will organize ourselves well. We will do this thing. When we say we'll go hold them for blockers like this. See the way labor shut down national grid. Do you understand? Shutting down national grid alone says na first message. Then all of us within us, we sit down for house every Tuesday. Nobody the first we sit down for house. If government don't take, bro, give or take, we'll achieve one of these two things: minimum wage or fuel price, especially the fuel price. I don't want us to be used as instruments from any other place. People not take advantage of this protest. Bro, me I no go chook my hand for all these kind of things. I don't see the way on they move. Especially for also they north. And especially for people where they Lagos. Now these two places are they concerned about. Especially north. Any small trigger like this, religious war don't start. They don't enter Jos. Jos, first of all, there's no rest in Jos as we speak. They don't enter Kano. They don't enter Kaduna. Problem don't they go be that. Then people where they Lagos. That Lagos first, especially that Lagos. That Lagos. I don't want to just talk. What I sense about Lagos, it go dey crazy. Lagos is a problem. It's a problem. So please, we want to do this protest, but want to do it well. We are not barbarians. We want to do it in a way that they will call us. What do you people want? This is what we'll do. Give us a particular period of time and it's going to happen. And if it does not happen, boom. We do what we want to do. But please, let's be calculative. For Abuja, oh no, I will look for 1 or 2, 3 for me. I go date Abuja on live. We will drop our own date too. You understand? We will drop our own date too. Me, I will tell you the pop and plain truth. It is my right. I don't like Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I don't like the government. Do you understand? I don't like what is going on so far. Just yesterday, this one carried this billion, this one carried that billion, this one carried this billion. But if people cannot do anything about common minimum wage, people cannot bring down the fuel price. We get oil, the oil no they show for our body. Do you understand? Nothing. It's as if they don't care about the youth, they don't care about the people, they only care about themselves. But there is a way we can do this thing and we'll achieve without causing war, without causing problem. Now the ginger now, war. When it starts, I beg, oh God, no go let us see problem when no be our own. Nigerian youth, please, we'll get our priorities right and we'll do this thing clean. I beg you now. More get leaders for each of the states where they won't do this protest. You people should organize yourself. When I mean leaders, I don't mean one person. If you be 20, where go they organize this thing so that they will not take advantage of this protest. Thank you very much. Peace and love. Don't play.